Today I'm going to show you two different hair toppers with two different installation techniques. The first hair topper I'm going to show you today is the closed lace breeze human hair topper in light permafrost. And this one is a 16-inch length with the ultra breathable top. And you can see the closed lace, very beautiful. This one I'm going to show you how to install it using all 4 clips. First, I just brush my bio hair kind of down to the side and forward a little. I'm going to open all 4 clips. You don't have to place it too forward or too far back. You want to get it right there where your bio hair can blend, which gives it a more natural look. I take this clip, I grab a little bit of my bio hair and clip it in. Same thing with this side, and it just pops right into place, and I do the same thing with the clips in the back. And then I pull some of my bio hair to the front to better blend it. And then I brush it throughout to blend with my bio hair underneath. And as you can see, this blends very well. Now I'm going to show you how to do the installation with the halo wire. So if you have a tender scalp and these clips cause you a little bit of discomfort, this is an alternative that you may really like to try. You just loop your halo wires into the little loops beside of your clips and you adjust it to fit your head shape. I take the front of the topper and place it at my forehead, and I bring the halo wire back. I'm going to pull my bio hair underneath it. And then you flip it up, adjust it, so adjust it to where you want your part, and then you can clip in just the back clips. And brush to blend your bio hair. And now you have no pressure on your scalp for these front 2 clips. And this one is the 12-inch Dusty Ash Brown. She is also very gorgeous.